Hello everyone, I'm Nuraisa Ramawati from Faculty of Medicine Universitas Airlangga Surabaya, Indonesia. I would like to present our research, medical education versus exposure to SARS-CoV-2. How is the achievement of doctor resident competent in the field of gynecology? Countries around the world are facing a challenge in preventing the spread of the coronavirus in society. Another problem when the medical education without ignoring the risk of contact with the virus. The frequent rotation within department and hospital make medical student potential vector of COVID-19. One of the medical education exposed is urogynecology residency education. Urogynecology services are essential health services because they involve the quality of life of women. These service healthcare such as pelvic organ problems, which often occurs in women in middle age, with the number of cases that are almost always in health facilities or hospital. Patient contact in person is an irreplaceable principle of clinical teaching. Surgery is an art that can only be perfected in the operating room. Learning the various instruments involved the role of the multidisciplinary team and the step adapter take during the patient journey to ensure patient safety is the best experience. Patient learning talkbook with no harm student. A survey in Libya showed that most students should agree that e-learning can be used for supporting aspect of clinical learning. This is likely to have an impact on the lack of competence to be mastered, such as resident doctor having a record of several procedures that may not have been fully mastered until toward the end of the education, and this happened before the pandemic. This paper aims to review resident doctor education in the urogynecology file during the pandemic and how residents can achieve appropriate competence. The method of this research is literature review, using renewable information about COVID-19 and medical education in urogynecology. Literature searches were conducted online in several databases such as Science IRF, PubMed, Scopus, and government website. We use a keyword COVID-19, medical education, resident doctor, urogynecology, and the synonym of this keyword. Stem and Boolean operator and or not are used to get specific result. The reference used is the latest research in the last 3 years. In the result and discussion, we discussed about the competences to be served in urogynecology. The residency programs will be designed to define the competencies concerning urogynecology, including increasing knowledge, practice, teaching, and research, as well as promoting special skills, special facilities, and clinical material that will benefit some patients and improve quality of care. This residency includes knowledge of the anatomy and physiology of the pelvic, the viscera content, and the pathological process affecting its function, the skill and knowledge specified in the investigation and treatment of a lower urinary tract dysfunction, pelvic floor disorder, and other benign pelvic condition in women. In the current case and impact of the quality of health service, urogynecology service has changed completely in 2012, and the number of surgery decreased dramatically from 2019 to 2012. Another study in the residency program showed that the percent of patient contact time had decreased significantly from 4.7 to 2.1 days per week. Health activities are centered on improving communication via conferencing. Some residents are referred to non-surgical units that deal with COVID-19, or in some cases, they voluntarily decided to stop the residency program to support the ongoing emergency. How about the guideline of urogynecology care during pandemic? Evidence suggests that most urogynecological conditions can be managed using virtual consultation, using behavioral measures, lifestyle changes, and medical therapy. Existing programs struggle to prevent hospital referral. and have the action and management of education like effective, medical training is mandated as important as patient care and services. Innovative solutions are demonstrated in the two-way classroom model, online practice question, teleconferencing instead of private lecture, involving resident in telemedicine clinic, simulation of procedure, and use facilitated surgery videos. The variants such as technology or internet problem and environment situation, learning is replacing class on campus learning and is an adaptable and time-consuming method. While there is no substitute for hand-on learning, toxicological experience, and direct patient care, it may be a way to reduce exposure to loss of learning. Can clinical practice be replaced with online education? Uh, this is the reason why clinical practice not be replaced with online education. The comfort felt by resident doctor in performing this procedure is closely related to their experience, including in some case of urogynecological management. Perception of comfort in urogynecological management, such as performing cesarean insertion, were also associated with working with advanced practitioner, formal urogynecology relation experience with cesarean insertion and receiving cesarean-specific didactic. Yes, plus education interventions significantly increase resident physician care, knowledge in urogynecology, and increase resident physician satisfaction with this teaching method compared to traditional lecture. What is the right solution for sustainable medical education in urogynecology? Newer education program must guard against exposure to the virus, allow face-to-face and hand-on case management in hospital. The program must provide mental support for the risk of imminent exposure. Steps need to be taken to ensure that graduate surgical residents are equally prepared for fellowship and independent practice. Surgical training programs should focus on providing non-technical clinical training and professional development. And the conclusion of this research is the decrease in the number of case, time limitation, exposure to the virus, and the involvement of resident doctor in the management of COVID-19 are a complicated problem in medical education, especially in the field of urogynecology. Various guide for urogynecology services during COVID-19 pandemic recommend limiting services at health facilities, schedule visit, or virtual services. The burden of achieving competence is still haunting with ineffective educational procedure, for example, with problem in online teaching scheme. What need to be realized is that direct practice with patient, conducting examination and diagnosis, and providing therapy with real case cannot be replaced with online teaching. Medical education for residents must ensure safety in obtaining education and practice in the hospital in order to fulfill the task of caring for patient, access to mental health in the pandemic, and simulation-based training. This is to ensure that the competence of graduate achieve before or during pandemic is the same, namely doctor who are professional and competent. This is our references. Thank you for the attention.